Hey guys, welcome back to SAT ACT Day 8. Today we're tackling problem numbers 10, 11, and 12 from SAT Math. It's section 4 from practice test 10. This is the official College Board one. Again, none of these problems are mine, but I'm just doing these so everybody gets a good idea how the problems are and how to solve these problems. Without further ado, let's go straight into questions 10, 11, and 12. Okay, start with just reading the problems. Researchers surveyed a random sample of students from a large university about how often they see movies. Using the sample data, the researcher estimated that 23% of students in the population saw a movie at least once per month. The margin of error for this estimation is 4%. Okay, so 23 plus or minus 4. Okay, which of the following is the most appropriate conclusion about all the students at the university based on the given estimate and margin of error? It is unlikely that less than 23% of students see a movie at least once per month? No. At least 23%, but no more than 25% see a movie at least 1% once per month? No. The margin of error is 4%. The researcher is between 19 and 27% sure. Okay. That's not really that. That's different. That's called confidence interval, and that's not what it's talking about. This is different. It's possible for the percentage of students who see a movie at least once per month is between 19 and 20. This is the right one. It's not the one above it because it's not A, since A doesn't really make any sense because it's unlikely that less than 23%. That's just mumbo jumbo they're trying to use to get like to kind of confuse you. Okay, let's move on to 11. Table shows the table above shows two list numbers. Which of the following is true comparing list A and B? Okay, so the mean and then the standard deviation. Okay, standard deviation is like how spread out the data is, and then the mean is like how spread out. The mean is like the average. So you add up all these numbers and then divide. This one is a calculator problem that I would suggest using a calculator on. Or if you have a graphing calculator, this might even be a good idea to like plug these numbers into your calculator and get a graph out. But that might take too long. So yeah, just 1 second. Okay, with this, let's continue this problem. I calculated the means for both, and they are the same. So you can take these out. And the standard deviations, so the data for list A is more spread out. The means are the same, but the range is longer, which means typically the standard deviation is also longer there. Let's go with A. Move on. A book was on sale for 40% off its original value. Okay, if the sale price of the book was $18, what was the original price of the book? Okay, so the sale price is 0.6 x. X is your OG price, or your original price, equals 18. I'll just do 18 divided by 0.6. That should equal 30. Anytime you're confused for these math questions, always just set up a system. Makes things so much easier. That's like my biggest piece of advice. With that, we finished 10, 11, and 12. Pretty easy. This one, I would say 11 and 12 do need a calculator. I think starting from now on in this section, you should be using a calculator on most of the problems. Thanks for sticking with me through the entire video. If you like this video, please sub to the channel and like it. We'll be back tomorrow for day 9.